Hi, welcome to Jack TV.
One of the best TV station online. Hi, welcome everybody. See the viewer out there that's watching me. I'm with my niece, Unique Lager. She's here in the USA with me. Say hi to everybody, Unique.
Hi.
Okay, we're talking about education. Because the education that's unique, you have a good education over it, right, Unique? Great. So I'm finding a way, say that how can we provide the same education to the kids that have that Haiti, where we can provide them the education that say the kids over here that have. So Unique, what do they teach you in your school? What do they teach you? What the teachers teach?
Do your homework.
They tell you to do your homework and be good in school, right? And you know how to read right now, right? And how old are you, Unique?
4.
She's only 4 years old and she already know how to read. This is amazing. You know what I'm saying? And then we have people who growing up in Haiti, say kids that are only have 10 or almost 12, and they don't know how to read. So we need to invest. That's what I'm trying to tell the people right there. We need to invest in our kids because the kids, they are the future in the world. So therefore, in order for us to do that, we need to support that kind of movement. We don't need to wait for the government, to do all those type of things. We need to have a movement, a group of people, where we could provide, where we could have a system where we could build school and then provide those kids the education for free in a kind of way. Because when you invest in those kids, we're gonna get a return back. Somehow, somewhere, we're gonna get that return back. Unique is with me right now, she learned certain things, like she
learns certain things.
You learn a lot of things, right, in your school, right? So what is your best subject?
I be good to my friends.
You be good to your friend, okay? And
I listen to my teachers.
You listen to your teacher, that's good.
And I do my work nicely.
You do your work nicely. So, and you're only 4, right? When you gonna be 5?
On my birthday.
When is your birthday?
July 3rd.
July 3rd.
5th.
July 5th. Okay, so as you heard from Unique, you're watching Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. As you can see, we need to have those type of education where we can provide education to the people out there, for the kids in Haiti. So stay tuned in Jack TV, one of the best TV station online.